just got on the Dempster Highway. We're going to be biking to Tuktoyaktuk on the Arctic Ocean. No services for the next 400k. Let's do it. Made it to our campsite here at Tombstone Park. We had a really awesome day of cycling. The weather really held up. Lots of traffic, but we were getting tons of space. We're probably gonna chill out here in Tombstone and do a few nights of hiking, and then we'll be back on the road up the Dempster. Hey, good morning. We're gonna go do some hiking up Charcoal Ridge. This is no longer a biking channel, it's a hiking channel. All right, just gonna leave our campsite here at Tombstone. We're gonna be heading towards Engineer Creek. It's about 125 kilometers. Looks like we might get a little bit of rain today, so got the rain booties on. Windy, rainy. If you don't like the weather in the Yukon, wait 5 minutes. Hey, good morning. Had a really big day yesterday. Got another big day today. We're gonna do about 120 kilometers. We'll be doing some wild camping, and then it'll be a breezy ride into Eagle Plains tomorrow, where we'll have a hotel room for the night. Had a fish on the hook but lost it. I guess I'll have a pre-made meal for lunch. Big day in the saddle today. We did 132 kilometers and over 1,300 meters of elevation. Lots of headwind, lots of side wind, but yeah, really good day of riding. It was really fun to get out of the mountains and then into the foothills. Food drop off at Eagle Plains. What do we got here?
We got deep wipes for the bugs, definitely wanted.
Boring. Whiskey. 4-pack of tall boys. There are no hotel rooms available, so we'll end up having to camp at Eagle Plains. Hey, heading out for the day. Spent the afternoon in Eagle Plains, had a nice meal, and we've got a big downhill here, making our way to Rock River Campground. We are almost at the Arctic Circle, which is the northernmost part, where in the winter solstice there is no sun, and the summer solstice the sun does not set. It's raining. This is the smallest rainbow I've ever seen.
Yeah, definitely.
Also with this double rainbow over here. It's been such a beautiful day. The road's in such good shape. Traffic's very minimal. Really good weather for cycling. Just overwhelmed. And my expectations of the Dempster being completely exceeded. So beautiful. I am so freaking smart for mailing this to myself. Okay, we're just about to hit the road. We're gonna go up to Midway today. We passed a German cyclist heading south. Said there was a music festival going on. So we're gonna go about 65 kilometers up the road and go check it out. We are just entering the Richardson Mountains. Have a little bit of climbing to do, and then that should be it for the rest of the trip. Should be pretty flat after that. So about 10K ago, we crossed the Continental Divide into the Northwest Territories. So we've left the Yukon, and we're making our way north. We are just leaving Midway, where we attended the Midway Music Festival last night. Super awesome experience. There was folk bands playing, there was drums, lots of dancing. Felt like we were at some kind of family reunion. Hey, so we just got into Fort McPherson and a couple of the locals invited us to a fish camp. So we went down to the fish camp, had some bannock, had some fish, listened to some fiddle music, and now we're all loaded up and we're gonna continue on the road for about another 60 kilometers. So we did about 110 kilometers today from Midway. We stopped in Fort McPherson before making our way on to Sigajik. And tomorrow we're gonna make our way heading north, going towards Inuvik. But tonight we're gonna be camping at the Tourist Center. Cheers. Good morning. We've just crossed the ferry and now we're heading north. No particular plan for the day. It's about 280 to Tuk. Let's get it. Been a pretty uneventful day. We did about 80 kilometers already. Pretty flat, not much to look at. We're stopping at this campsite here for a quick snack, and we're probably gonna push on another 20 to the next campsite so we can get to Inuvik bright and early tomorrow and have some lunch. We are about 40 kilometers outside of Inuvik, so we're gonna head down there and grab some lunch. So we're not in any kind of rush. We might just end up wild camping outside of Inuvik today.
Hey! That's a decent sized fish.
Are you excited for a hot tub and a shower?
I don't know if I'm like more excited or desperate.
We have definitely entered the tundra. There are no more trees, just flat landscapes and tons of lakes. Yeah, check it out. Beautiful, right? All right, we had a decent day today, about 85 kilometers, went a little bit farther than we thought. We're just wild camped here off the side of the road on the tundra. Really boggy, hard to find a flat spot, but better than nothing. Probably make a push to Tuk tomorrow, about 105K. See you then.
One broken derailleur.
All right, so the derailleur completely snapped off and got caught in there and had to cut it off. But, oh yeah, and the chain bent too. So we had to cut a couple pieces off and put a couple quick links on there, and we're good to go. Back on the road, we'll see how she goes. 85K to Tuk. Finally made it to Tuk. Smells so good. It's great to be back on the ocean again. Hey, so we've just been bumming around in Tuk for the last couple of days, rented some kayaks, ate some muck Tuk, and now we're just gonna try to hitchhike back to Inuvik and we'll be flying home. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.